Isn't this fantastic? So we've taken our stock 370 Roadster and we've outfitted it with skis and tracks from American Track Truck, and we are very proud that this actually goes. We've tested it out in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, but this is just a little fun play on a...
Now this is really the second time you've done this. I remember about 3 years ago you had another vehicle similar to this, it just like the test vehicle. But here it looks like a luxury vehicle on skis. I mean, you've really done a great job here.
Well, thank you. We're very proud of this. We took a spec Roadster and really turned it into something fun. Just something fun to show at the Chicago Auto Show.
Let's take a look inside here for a second, okay?
Absolutely.
But tell me, what's it like inside? I mean, have you driven this like this?
I have not driven this. I did not get the pleasure. But this is just our standard Roadster, and what we did is we just took off the wheels, we raised it to put the skis and the track on. So none of this is different. This is all stock. The engine, the powertrain.
So that would be a lot of fun in the snow. It really would. And with a top, well, no top, I mean, you'd really be outside, wouldn't you?
Oh, absolutely. It reminds you of a snowmobile, doesn't it?
It really does.
You're top down to a snowmobile.
A luxury snowmobile. Well, let's talk about the front. How do the designers have fun here?
Well, absolutely. In addition to wrapping with the Icon graphics, we actually put on tinted glass, much like your goggles, your ski goggles, so it looks exactly like your ski goggles going down the slopes in a snowmobile.
It looks like a lot of fun. It really is.
Yeah, we're fantastic.
Congratulations. You're going to have a ball with this. I understand you all got to get together for a shootout in out west somewhere?
Yeah, the project guys took that out to Jackson Hole, Wyoming.